Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am librybuzz and here we are once again doing the GLOSSYBOX opening. So I'm not gonna let you guys wait any longer, so let's jump right into the video. So I got ahead and opened it and it's once again pink box. Really can't wait to see what is in here. Pretty as always. So we have instructions on what it is in there. Oh, and looks like, yeah, this is a bit different. So this one opens, usually there's just one card, so this one opens up. You have all the products listed right in this booklet, which comes inside together with all the products. You can see all the prices for them, what they do if you are not clear on whatever says in the bottle. So it really nicely explains everything, all the products. It gives you a little sneak peek as well. So in next month, there's gonna be sleeping mask from Dr. Botanicals. So Dr. Botanicals sleeping mask. I'm really excited about that one. So yeah, every month you're getting a little sneak peek on what is inside. And it always is really exciting. We have had a huge beauty products and it's just, the list goes on and on. So I'm sure you all want to see what is actually inside. So I'm gonna be ripping all this apart. It's so pretty. Like, I don't really like pink color, but this looks really cute. First up, I picked Bella Peer Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream in the color Nude. It looks like this. And let me do a little swatch for you guys. And this is how the product looks like. So it's actually pretty. It's actually really pretty. I like it. Oh, it smells like candy. Wow, okay. So the price for this little lippy is £20. So already got my money's worth back just by checking out one product, and it is actually really pretty and it smells so tasty. So this product actually was in our sneak peek last month and it is Plumper Lip Balm. So this lip balm is boosting a thick and creamy formula. This plumping lip balm restores and protects dry lips, leaving them soft, smooth and healthy. Oh my god, I really need this. My lips are so dry in this weather, just dead. Plus I don't tend to drink enough water, so yeah, bad. It also contains hints of peppermint and capsicum that plump your palate and enhance its natural shape. Okay, didn't understand half of that sentence, but yeah, there's some mint to plump them up as well. So the price for this little lip plumper is £9. Let's move on, and now we have the product Larizzi Cosmetics. Never heard of this one. So this product is Dew Pot Illuminator in the pot. It looks like this. And the product inside looks like this. So the product looks like this. So there is like really soft peachy pink kind of illuminating. I think you can wear it as like highlighter or blush, or even put it as an eyeshadow, whatever your heart desire basically. I think it's like multi-product. Okay, it says here that it is a highlighter who provides a dewy radiance that lasts all day. It's formulated with ultrafine shimmer that accentuates your features and enhance all skin tones. So a highlight. So the price for this Larizzi Cosmetics is £15.30. Highlight, blush, eyeshadow, I would put it everywhere. So next from the Body Shop, which is Body Butter in a scent coconut. Oh, I can't wait to smell this, probably so delicious. Yeah, really smooth. Oh my god, it smells so nice. And it costs £15 in a shop. And it's super rich and creamy body butter who melts straight in, softening, nourishing and hydrating skin for up to 48 hours. Happy about that. It's really nice to receive like a Body Shop product, like any product who is well known. It's really nice. It's really nice. Next up, there is Essence instant matte makeup setting spray. Okay. And this is lightweight, oil-free and non-sticky. This setting spray is a makeup bag essential. Use it as a primer to create a non-shiny matte base or to keep your foundation in place. Spray it 15 centimeters from your face, blah 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 blah. Let's shake it up. It doesn't have a direct spray, it just explodes, so it's straight away with one pump you cover all the face. I'm not quite mad about it, but I got it a bit on my hand and now it's a bit sticky, so I don't know if I'll like that. Which cost £3. This little bottle, £3. Great. So that's all the products which were in this March subscription box. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please press that huge thumbs up button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. You can follow me on any social media. They're all gonna be linked down below in the description box. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!